Hello and welcome to Airplane Chefs. My name is Sky, and I'll be helping you here. Currently, we are flying with Denver Airlines and serving burgers with snacks. First, let's prepare the burgers. Tap here. Now place trail mix on the cart. While the burgers are being prepared, let's take a look. These passengers want a portion of trail mix. Serve them now. Great! Let's get back to the galley. The burgers are ready. Add a burger to the tray. Good job. Now go and serve the rest of the passengers. Hello? Thank you.
Over here.
Delicious!
Yes!
Attention passengers. We will be landing shortly.